Hello viewers, most welcome and congratulations to my platform of Shanker Chowhan Spoken English. And this channel is going to more attractive for all the listeners and viewers. Those are the students, especially for the students of from class 10 to higher level students, okay, intermediate level, or also the candidate of IELTS exam. But I would like to show you the graph and chart, the designs of graph and chart. I have also made a sheet. According to the sheet, you can make it a screenshot for better understand afterwards, make a good revision. It will be very helpful. And I have also designed here how can we start the sentences, how can we start the graph or chart, how can we write. Here graph and chart means any of the portrait or any of the information that will be illustrated or explained. Something is explanatory, something. Okay, suppose this is the pie chart and I will illustrate it like this way. Oh, so this is the graph and I will illustrate or explain it. Okay, for instance, I would like to say something about the graph and chart. Okay, how many graph and charts in English? Someone is bar graph, bar diagram, bar chart. Number two, pie chart, line graph, line chart, histogram, line graph or line chart, dot plot, scatter plot, pictogram, tab. There are many types of graph and chart. Now we have to enjoy this. Let's go for discussion to the main topics of graph and chart today. How can you able, how can you be able to write a graph and chart? How can you explain? Okay, this is very easy. First one for the students especially, I draw the attention to the right part of the board pie chart. Here you can analyze some one activities also. Okay, it will be dependent upon the year of discussion according to the year, and here also the same one the I have also written here the internet users from 1999 to 2024. Okay, now this is a design. This is one of pie chart and the another is graph. But dear students, just you have to follow, read it out, and I will explain it easily that you can easily clear. And the most important thing, I have also here arranged nine of the sentences. Okay, to the view of the nine sentences, you can write like this way. Okay, and you will obtain more marks. First one, graph chart lekhar. What is the main formula or what is the how can we follow? What do we follow? How can we explain this pie chart or graph? I will show you today. Okay, first one, we have to draw our attention to the topic sentences. Topic sentences, what is topic sentences? Topic sentence means গ্রাফে কি দেখাচ্ছে, এই গ্রাফে কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমরা, পাই চার্টে কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি বা গ্রাফে কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেটা হলো টপিক সেন্টেন্স থাকবে। অর্থাৎ আমি কি বলবো, topic sentences, what you understand, what is described to the pie chart and what is described to the graph. Okay, we have to discuss this. Okay, first intro. In intro or introduction, we have to explain. How can you explain? I will show you. ফার্স্ট লাইনে কোনো বিষয়ের নাম লিখবে। প্রথমে কি লিখবো আমরা ফার্স্ট লাইনে? বিষয়ের নাম লিখবে না কি করবে? আমরা কি করব? প্যাসেজটা পড়বো আগে, কোশ্চেনটা পড়বো। We have to read out the question and within the first line of the question, the graph shows that blah blah blah, etc etc. Many things it has been written. You have to choose or you have to exclude first line, the graph or chart that will be included to the question paper, and you have to write the graph or chart shows that shows এর পরে এখানে কি বলছি আমি মূল শব্দ বা পয়েন্টে প্রথম লেখা লাইন প্রকাশ করব। That means how we can start our writing. It has been described like this way, and I show you like this way. The graph shows here first line you have to write the graph shows. Next কি করব, ওই প্রশ্ন থেকে প্রথম লাইন, that is the question which was given to your discussion to the question, then first line you have to write. The graph shows that the users of internet is going to rise day by day. That's gone. You have not Write down first sentences the year. Okay, you will not mention the first sentences. Any of the year you cannot mention. You have to mention second line. First line is gone. So what you write? The graph shows plus the first line, the excluded line, what is said. You have to write this. The graph shows that the internet users have been increasing day by day. That's gone. Then the next one, number two, which is second sentence. What you write? It is the year, or it was the year. It is the year of 2000. Like year is included 19 and 1990. You have to write. Remark this year first, first to last, like this. It is the year of 2012 আছে এখানে লেখা 2017. Now you have to write it is the year of 1992, 1992, 2024. Second line is gone. Now come to the point of third line. According to the graph or chart or diagram, the lowest percent was in the year. You have to remark the thing is important. I have also described here. Okay, I will go for the next time. Okay, just I would like show you how can you able to write it down fully. And lowest, we have to discuss lowest to highest. Otherwise, highest to lowest, anyone you can choose. It will depend upon your thinking, but very interesting. You have to start more than once from lowest to highest. Okay. Now, according to the graph or chart diagram or lowest pie chart, etc., etc., the lowest percent was in the year of, we have to write here 1990. In 1990, whenever you will explain year, you have to use in. Okay, my dear viewers. See, third line is gone. Now, the fourth line, the graph shows that. The graph shows that তারপর কি লিখবো প্রাপ্ত ধারণার বিস্তারিত তথ্য. We have to explain the main idea elaborately. What is the main idea elaborately? How can you write? I will discuss it. Wait for the next time. Okay. Graph shows that প্রাপ্ত ধারণার বিস্তারিত তথ্য. How can you explain it? That means what we guess. How can we explain? We have to explain this idea. Okay. And number 5, বাটের পরে কি হবে বিপরীতমুখী তথ্য. এই তথ্যগুলো আমরা কিভাবে দেব তাহলে আমরা একটু পড়ে আসি এখান থেকে. ওকে, আমরা এখানে কি করব বড় থেকে ছোট ইংরেজি কি হোয়াট ইজ দ্য বেঙ্গলি মিনিং. বেঙ্গলি বড় থেকে ছোট, মোস্ট লিস্ট. ওকে, ছোট থেকে বড়, লিস্ট লিস্ট টু মোস্ট. ওকে, আনচেঞ্জেবল ওয়ার্ড. দ্যাট মিন্স আনচেঞ্জেবল, ইউ হ্যাভ টু এক্সপ্লেইন দি আনচেঞ্জেবল ওয়ার্ড. ওয়ার্ড হুইচ ইজ আনচেঞ্জেবল, যেটা পরিবর্তন হবে না, এটাকে এক্সপ্লেইন করবো আমরা. উঠানামা করা, ফ্লাকচুয়েট, এই ওয়ার্ডটা আমরা ব্যবহার করতে পারি. ওকে, দিস ইজ অলসো অ্যাডেড টু দি সাপোর্টিং সেন্টেন্স.